Hello, hello, everyone. It's Kathy King with Paper Phenomenon, and I'm here to let you know that my Facebook Kathy King account, my personal Facebook account, has been hacked. Uh, the hackers are selling cars and a slew of all sorts of other things that are very uncharacteristic of me. I don't sell cars. I don't sell anything ever on Facebook outside of my paper crafting business, Paper Phenomenon, paperphenomenon.com. All right. I have recently been posting fashion videos, and you can see my face, you see me, you see exactly what I'm doing, and everything is very obvious that it is me. All right. If you see a post on the Kathy King Facebook page that is selling anything, I don't even care about paper crafts. Nothing on the Kathy King page pertains to Paper Phenomenon. Okay. Please do not send any money via any third party uh, dealer, whatever these websites are. Any transaction that is not done on the Paper Phenomenon website is not me. If you guys remember how adamant I am about conducting all business through the Paper Phenomenon website, not conducting business on social media in terms of answering questions for you guys about your purchases, etc. This is why. This is why I never want there to be gray area. It is black and white. All of my business is conducted through paperphenomenon.com. All right, so please be aware that if you see any posts on the Kathy King Facebook page selling anything, I don't even care if it's a paper clip. It is not me. I don't sell anything on Facebook Kathy King page. That is my personal page. That's where I share my fashion videos. I share things about faith and Broderick, about my family. That's it. Think about my history on social media and what I share on social media. Okay. So please be aware. I will say that I believe I will have to start from scratch on my personal page. I'm not sure yet about any other like Instagram or anything like that. So just please be aware that these hackers are trying to sell things with my showing my face, on Facebook. And it's not me. All right. It is not me. So please understand that. Now, paper crafting goodies, projects. This good old face right here, that is me. But a dead uncle selling a vehicle. No, ma'am, that is not me. So please be aware. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave me a comment if you've seen those crazy posts and you've ignored them, please, and that you knew it wasn't me. I'm curious to see how many people know Kathy King. Let me know what you think about all of this craziness. So I will keep you all posted. I will stop rambling. I just felt that I needed to alert the masses because this is important. Until next time.